Hello and welcome to Creating with Miss K. Tonight I am participating in a open collaboration and it is coffee table styling. But it's coffee table styling with books. This open collaboration is hosted by Anna from The Grace Life, DIY Home Decor, Jean's Home Decor and More, Jennifer at Home, Sandylynn's Home and Garden, and last but not least, Debby Bubbles. I would like to thank the host for hosting this collaboration for this week. I am sure that everyone is going to be bringing it. Their coffee tables is going to look magnificent. I am looking forward to it. Make sure you go by each participant's channels, go down our playlist, and watch. Make sure you watch to the end. This is very, very important that you watch to the end. Please leave a comment. Make sure you give them a thumbs up. So we're gonna get right into the video. I am giving you two treats for tonight. I am going to do a summer, and then we are going to go right into fall. It's already time, it's in the stores. I wanted to do Christmas, but I'm not quite ready. So let's go. Here's my coffee table that I've had for the past maybe 8 or 9 years. Well, this is the last time that this coffee table, marble top, glass insert, top and bottom, will be featured in any YouTube video. I'm giving it away and I got something new. If you stay around to the end of the video, you'll see my new coffee table. There is one thing that I won't miss about this coffee table is cleaning this glass. It is definitely, it's a chore. It honestly, I'm just gonna tell you the truth, it gets on my nerves. But I'm gonna miss it. I didn't want to go back with glass. I didn't want to go back with something that had a second shelf on it. So let's get to clean it and let's start decorating. When I clean this table, I just use the window cleaner that comes from the Dollar Tree. It's clear. I think maybe it has vinegar in it. And my choice for wiping it down is just paper towels. Sometimes when I use another type of cloth, it leaves lint, and so I just use paper towel, and once I get finished, throw it away. If you have a favorite glass cleaner, please let me know. Leave it down in the comment section. I'm always looking for new cleaning items. Even though I'm getting rid of this coffee table, I still have a lot of mirrors. We have windows in the house and, other things that might have some glass surfaces. But if you have something that you clean with and it's quite effective, leave it in the comment section so I can check it out and I will go buy it and I'll give you a shout out. So just let me know what you like. I'm gonna go ahead and put this section of me cleaning on time lapse so we can go ahead and get into the decorating. Oh, how I wish we could put our lives in time lapse and speed things up. Can you imagine cooking, decorating, cleaning, or even exercising? And we get through fast and it's productive. I would love it. But anyway, here is my cake plate that we're going to use as a pedestal for the table, because you always want a little bit of height on your table when you're decorating your coffee table. This is a crown that I have had for years. I purchased it from efavormart.com and I love to use it when I am hosting events. This is some greenery that I purchased from Walmart several years ago. I think like 98 cents. I'm sure everyone has a few of these in their collection as a filler. And that's exactly what I'm using it for. I'm using it for a filler to go inside of this crown so I can have a floral centerpiece inside the crown. You see, I'm bending it just a little bit because I want it to be secure inside of the crown. And so as I do that, if you look to your left or either your right and you see my tall pots that my trees are in, that greenery actually goes in there. But you know, in the life of YouTube and decorating, we will borrow from one place to put in another just to get that look. Now this greenery right here, oh gosh, I love it. I picked it up the other day and I think I did a video that I just haven't put out yet. A shopping haul that came from TJ Maxx. This is so nice. The only thing, it kept like breaking. So, but you know, we know what to do to fix it. You can kind of tie it back or just lay it up there, and it's long enough. It does what it has to do. So I just wanted something to kind of cascade over to give it a nice effect and to pull that greenery on out of the crown. Let me just say, this crown can be used on the top of a Christmas tree. It comes in all sizes, all prices, and maybe a few different colors. It might come in pearl, where the clear stones are. I'm not certain, but this is my floral ball. It had a handle on it, a satin little handle. I took it off, I cut it off and put it on the inside because I do have a lot of the whites and ivory here in my living room. I just wanted to add it. I think it looks good. So let's move on to our next step. So now we have height. You need some height on your coffee table when decorating your coffee table. So I have this crystal pineapple, which pineapple to me this time of year is perfect. It's summery to me. It's crystal. I love it. I believe maybe ice could go in it. I've never done that. And look, the star of the show. They asked for books on the table. Here they are. These are white books, white ceramic books that I bought from Z Gallery. They probably still have them. I think they can come in white, silver, and gold. A long time ago, these were hard to get. They would sell out. I think, you know, they might be a thing of the past now, maybe. And so I just, you know, we just hold on to this stuff. But so you get so many that I could probably just give some away. I might have broke one down the line somewhere, but I have it, love them. And so this is my summer coffee table styling. We have the height, we have a floral, and now we have a light. You need some type of candle. And so I kind of use this as a candle. It came from the Dollar Tree. These are so cute to me. I found these a few years ago. No, I found these last year. I'm sorry. I found them last year, and every time I see them, I get one or two more. This is the night version of it. It's not completely dark in my house, but I love the look. What do you think? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this summer table. Well, it's not a tablescape. This summer coffee table styling. I hope you like it. And let me just go ahead and thank everyone who has been coming to my channel recently, leaving me comments, subscribing. I still need some subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. So, I know everyone has been seeing what Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, Michael's, online. Fall is in the air. I know. I'm in Georgia. It is 102 degrees. It's scorching hot. Yes, we are ready for the fall, but not quite. But we as decorators, what do? We buy what's out there. You buy early, you decorate early, because once, I'm just going to say this, once regular people start to buy, we've already bought all that stuff up. They're just picking over things that we have already planned to get. So this next coffee table styling that I'm going to show you is my fall coffee table styling. This is a candelabra that I purchased from Kirkland's. I actually got it around Christmas time. I don't know if it's winter. I don't know if it's fall, but it has pine cones. It has a little bit of fir, not fir. It has little pieces of straw in it. So I'm assuming that it can go for fall. Now I have this vase that I bought from Home Goods. I think these are little gold birds on it. So we're going to do something with gold and more of a natural color. This is my floral pick that was purchased from Hobby Lobby. Not recently, but I'm sure they still have them because they carry the same stuff a lot of times from year to year, and they do add to it. So here's a floral, that which has the height. My centerpiece, which will give us the light, and we must do what we were asked to do. Books. We have books for the coffee table, and look, there is my gold, my beautiful golden acorn that's going to sit on top. So we have 2 coffee table stylings, one summer and one fall. I love this. Listen, me personally, I love decorating for the fall of the year. I love decorating, period. Don't get me wrong, but for the fall, there is not too much that you cannot do with a pumpkin. We love them. The fall leaves. Tell me, do you have more Christmas, fall, Easter, Valentine, or whatever holiday that you enjoy celebrating? What do you have the most decor? Myself, it's fall. I am overloaded with fall, and because I've had so much silver glam, I just have all this extra. So I have 1 or 2 rooms that I'm still using a little silver in, but otherwise I'm switching over to gold or just something that's natural. And I see that natural and neutral colors is what a lot of us on YouTube have started to really decorate with. We've toned down from the bright colors. One time red was my color. I don't know if it's my age or what it is, but I've kind of shifted away from that. So I myself am toning things down, just toning my life down. I'm older. I'm moving slower at a whole different pace. But this is my styling, and I hope that you like it. You've made it to this part of the video. You are able to look at my new coffee table. I have a new white and gold coffee table. I love it. It is a purchase from Temu. I have been in love with those guys. They've been so good to me. If you are a Temu shopper, leave me a comment letting me know what you have purchased. Are you more of a clothes person from Temu? Are you furniture or just home accessories? I have gotten it all. Well, this is the end, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.